Okay, quite a few people were asking for this AI follow-up 4.0, and they wanted to know if I sell it. I'm not selling it. I'm gonna give it away for free, just for kicks right now. So bear with me. I'll go through kind of the whole thing and how it works, and then if you guys like it, feel free to just take it and copy it. Do whatever you want with it. I don't care. But here's how it works. So basically, the first agent, we'll call them agents in the flow, is this AI stop agent. All this guy does is he determines if we should stop contact with the lead, if we should go email only, or if we can continue follow up. That's all he does. So AI is really good, and you can use a really cheap model like 4.0 Mini for this kind of thing because it's got one very specific small task. It's going to crush it every single time. You don't need a big, large model for this. In fact, I was reading today in my book, AI is a better judge than it is a generator. So it's judging the quality of these leads, and it's killing it every single time. And so we got it pretty simple here. We got just, hey, stop, email only, or continue follow-up. You want to know kind of what these workflows look like, here's the stop agent. So I'm going to give you this prompt. I'm going to put all of this in the comments because I just want to. I just feel like it. I just think it's helpful, and I think it's going to make the community better. So you can have this. Basically, this is it. That's all. All right, so we're going to move on. Next agent in the thread is, then it goes to the AI follow-up agent. Then it goes to the lead manager. Lead manager is right here. That's this guy. Okay, you are a lead contact assistant, blah, blah, blah. And then what it's doing is it's looking at this information for the customer, like the customer contextual lead info prompt, which is the thing I built, which is basically just a master summary of everything to do with that customer in one spot. And so what it's going to do is it's going to take everything about that and it's going to make a custom follow-up plan. It's going to assign it a score. It's going to suggest the next steps. It's going to provide its reasoning because we want to know. We want to know what the AI is thinking about, what's their whole thought process behind the whole thing, and then it's going to output that into this format, which is going to make it easy for us to extract. So then we got lead manager, which is that guy, and then we put their response as a custom field. I just like to have it as a custom field. You don't have to do that. And then we use this. You know what I'm going to do actually right now? I'm going to take this. I'm going to copy and paste this. So you have it. I'll put it here at the end. There you go. So now you have the custom code to extract this raw data from ChatGPT's response to actually use it to populate your custom fields, which is right here. Look at this. AI follow-up date. Boom. The date, time. Lead score. Boom. Suggested next steps. Boom, boom. AI reasoning. Bada boom, bada boom. Right here for you. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezy. Oh, shoot. Let me get that out of here. I hate it when that happens because then everybody knows how many freaking apps I have, which is embarrassing. So that's what this does. Updates, lead contact fields, etc., etc. Add that to a note just so that I have it because I like having it in the notes to quickly reference. And then we're going to actually use that custom follow-up date that the AI gave us, and we filled the custom field with it. So we're going to use that custom field to actually set an event start date right here. And then we're going to have a wait period to wait until that event start date. The reason I did this is because I figured out that, well, like I could do this all now and then schedule the message to go out when the AI suggested the message to go out. But the only problem with that is, what if something changes between now and when the message was supposed to go out? That's going to be a big major problem. We can't have that. So I took that out completely. And I came up with this solution where we wait until the follow-up date before sending it on to the AI follow-up agent. The AI follow-up agent, which is the sales guy, which is right over here, it's basically going to take all this information. It's going to reread the context name, their contextual info, their last message that they sent, the instructions that the previous AI agent suggested for the follow-up, the reasoning behind the instructions, the lead score, and today's date. You got to tell it today's date because it doesn't know what today's date is. So it needs to know that if the last message was on July 4th, it is now June 22nd or something like that when coming up with this response. And it just doesn't know that unless you tell it. So you have to tell it today's date. And then it's reflect on the lead style and tone. So humans are really good at emulating other people's behavior. AI is not good at emulating other people's behavior. We do it naturally. You might think that we respond in our own style and tone to everybody, but we don't. We respond in the same style and tone of the person we're talking to. And so we got to tell the AI to do that. We got to tell the AI respond in the exact same style and tone as the person you're talking to. Generate a concise follow-up text, reflects the lead style and tone, avoids phrases like following up and checking in. Instead, ask a question or offer value related to their home search, timeline, blah, 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 instructions, personalized. And I'm calling all this, it's just been tried and tested of how to do it. And so then it does that, updates the custom field, waits 5 minutes. I think I put a time delay here initially, but I don't know why I put that there. Updates this customer messages database, which I use for other AI stuff, and then set that manual SMS with that response, because we still want the human in the loop. Human in the loop is ideal because AI is not here to replace us yet. It's here to help us do 95% of the work. Because then now every day you're just getting up and going and looking at the texts that you're supposed to respond to, and you're just approving them and tweaking them, changing them, but you're doing it 95% faster than you normally were, which outputs your output by like 100 times. I mean, you can literally, there's no limit to how personalized you can get with all your leads and how, I mean, it's like you have a secretary there that is just on it. I mean, like, it's like you've literally hired the world's best secretary that's summarizing every single contact, every single meeting, every single lead, and is helping you come up with follow-up for them. And then you just have to approve it. As a business owner, this is easy peasy lemon squeezy, man. Like, I don't want to hear anything like we need conversational AI, we need it 100% automated. No, you don't. AI is not there, and you can wait till it's there, and you can wait a good long time because it's not going to be there for a while, because human in the loop is super, super valuable. So get over yourself. So then we send that message, and then we wait for the response. If they respond, we go to another manual SMS. I actually took this out. I'm going to take this out. I had an AI respond here, and I was like, you know what? Humans can respond here. It doesn't freaking matter. So we'll just put like a, hey, since it can't leave it blank. Then it loops over and over again until they don't respond for 7 days. If they don't respond for 7 days, we go here, go to, and then we go to the top again. Hey, determine if we should stop contact, email, or continue follow-up. All right, we should continue follow-up. Okay, determine when and how we should do that. Okay, you did that. All right, sweet. Now we're going to wait till that date, and now we're going to okay, what exactly do we write to follow up with the lead in a way that's personalized and blah, 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 blah. Okay, sweet. Awesome. You told us. Now put it in a manual SMS, human in the loop, review it one time. Every morning I get up, I review these. I mean, these are crazy. Like, here's an example of some of what it said, okay? Let me just, hey, Anthony, notice you're looking for Tampa. Got any specific areas in mind? Hey, welcome back. Notice you're considering expanding your Florida portfolio. Hey, hope you're settling into the idea of your big move. Condos, like, I mean, this is crazy. Like it's just enough personalization to where I'm able to knock these out like left and right, man. Gary, blah, blah, blah. Thanks for sending the photos. Okay, Martin, notice you're scouting rentals. Great. Look at this. I don't even speak Spanish. Kyle, notice you're eyeing a spot for your pool table in the homes we discussed. Love that detail. Wow. Amazing. Hey, Michelle, hope you found some favorites among today's viewings. I went and met with that person in person, and it determined that's what to follow up with. Hey, John, etc. I mean, it's crushing it. So this works. This works 100%. And I'm going to put all of this in the comments here just because I can, and it's late, and I've had a good day. I've been reading. I've been reading this book. For anybody who wants to know what to read, man, this book, you got to read this book on AI, because this book just changed the game for me. It's everything. So now you know. I hope you like it. That's why I'm giving this away, because I want to build a community here. I'm not in it for the money, man. I mean, I am, but not yet.